monkeys, this was going to be a normal video, but a small update. Look at this! It is now possible for it to rain and forest map again.
Yeah, we should get him banned this moderator because he literally joined a raid on my friend's server. I'm not even joking. Jono and everyone like that joined.
And he's dead.
Oh, by the way, it doesn't work like that. You have to have a PC too if you want to.
What is up, guys? Back with another video here. Today, every time I touch the floor, I'm going to be moaning.
What?
Oh my god, I don't know what should I buy. Should I buy a Rockstar guitar? Guys, no one talk. I'm
Get
praying
on the
that
floor,
you
get
do
off the
video.
floor, get on the floor! Get on the floor.
Oh my god.
How do I play this? I don't know how to play it.
You touch the floor.
Bravo, come back here!
Hey, Blue. Blue. You can't you can't tag me.
Watch. Okay, so you have it like this. You press that trigger button.
Guys, it's fake AIs. It's fake AIs.
No, you didn't.
Fake AIs. Guys, it's red AIs. Oh my god, I'm so scared. You're not scary.
You hurt his
You're not
feelings.
scary.
You're stupid.
But we know
can't-
you're just some random guy.
No, he's a real AI.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my
is that
god.
Whitey Tidy McPiety? Wait, that's great.
What the heck?
Bro,
Oh,
I just
over
did
the
a Rockstar
monkey's
guitar
head.
Solo, bro.
Oh!
You can never.
What? Yeah. Wait, look how fast I can play the guitar. Ready?
I can also play the guitar. The normal guitar.
Boy. Shut.
Look. Ready?
The trick to getting competitive is to be good. I'm kidding, Joe. What the heck? Maybe it's raining at Lon's house.
I need drums. I need someone with drums. You, get your drums.
I have them.
Come on, get ready.
I want to play Eviction. I want to play Eviction. Come to the computer. To the beat to the drum.
Sure, I'll play Eviction.
If you want to play Eviction, come to the computer.
I can buy them. The thing is, I can buy them.
I didn't hide it.
Does it give you the sticks? Does it give you the sticks?
Is there one here? I'll play. Come on. I want to. Eviction? That's my name.
Zach.
If you want to get free shiny rocks, join Cookie.
Anyways, in the video here, monkeys. See you next one.